Hey there. So I've run about 75 liters or 20 gallons of my unwashed biodiesel through my Chinese diesel heater, and I'm liking the results. Looking at the burn chamber, uh, it's clean. There's a tiny bit of carbon and residual powder in there, but overall, I'm going to say that this thing is clean for the amount of biodiesel that's gone through it. So even looking at the little breather port and the screen that's in there, it's also very clean. So there's no reason this thing can't just run like this. Uh, maybe over a long period of time it's going to gum up a little bit, but it saves a big step with not having to wash it with water. So all I do is once I've processed my biodiesel with the methyl hydrate and lye soap, I let the glycerin settle to the bottom, and then I'll drain that off. And I'll do that for a period of 2, maybe even 3 days. And then each day a bit less and less, and more glycerin settles to the bottom, and eventually this whole thing will clear right up, and then you don't have to wash it. And then I just run it like that in my diesel heater. So what are your thoughts? What are your comments? What are your findings that you've seen? So, anyways, cheers. Hope this helps, and give it a like.